Welcome back to episode 24 of Captain of Industry with me, Flow Engineer. Now, we are here, and last time we built this wonderful production. Basically what it does, it takes wood, which we actually don't have enough yet. It trades it for corn, which we can then turn into fuel gas, and we can split it up with steam into hydrogen and carbon dioxide. Now that has a lot of benefits. Mainly we are not, or we have an easy way to get hydrogen. Also wood is kinda easy to produce, even though this system is slowly limiting us. So we definitely have to pay attention that we maybe upgrade this. Actually, we should maybe get like one more harvester and one more planter or something like that. Or maybe even a few more. What I also want to do today, because we now got hydrogen, and we already made some of them into hydrogen. We do have 2 hydrogen trucks, which are also running all the time. They are also here being refueled. But what I want to do is basically I want to just replace more of them. Right now we're doing 10, and then we'll see how much or how well this system here works. But it should work pretty well. We have a huge amount of hydrogen here, which we also will use in like pollen production. And yeah, that's also something we did 2 episodes ago. So we got electronics, and we also got research for construction 4 here. So why not set this up? Oh, well, we need to... Wait, we need to produce 20 of those. Aren't we doing that? Now I'm very confused. This one is locked. We need to produce 20 of those, but we are producing 20 of those, aren't we? Well, we produced a lot more than 20 actually. This finished. Do I need to... Wait, couldn't we like click out of this one here? Do we need to like take them out via truck or something? Let's pause it. Let's open this up. Let's open this here. And let's see if we can get a truck to come here and take those out. Maybe that will help. Or maybe we have to have like 20 in here. Okay, no fuel. And you can't move anywhere. Let's recover you. Planter has no fuel, so that's... Yeah, that should fix this. We do have a problem in getting hydrogen in here. That can have a lot of different reasons, but what I think we should do is we'll take this away here, and then now we got the hydrogen, but we could lay a pipe. That doesn't even need to be a big one. It could just be something like this. Where is it connected now? Yes, so that could just be something like this. So we go like to here. We go to here, and then we go along this. Can we get here? Then we can go all the way over here. Let's see if we can make this work somehow. Something like this, and then we go over this, and we try to go up here without blocking any trucks. And then we do something like this. Now this costs a few parts, but that should be fine. Low supply of diesel here. That is interesting because, well, not enough maintenance. That's a huge problem. We are full... Ooh. Okay. Okay, Unity boost here. Wait, let's pause for a second. So we can Unity boost U2. That should work. We don't have enough diesel. Why don't we have enough diesel? Because everything here is full. Do we need to add more systems to run here? 100%, one. No, this is only 67%. That's why I'm thinking. Let's look into maintenance. What are our top producer trucks? That makes sense. U-shape. Ooh. We only have one stacker tower. Oh. Oh. Is this the biggest flaw of stacker towers? Wait. Wait. Where are our stacker towers? You are using 7 maintenance per 100 tiles. Oh. You're using 20 and you're using 7 per 100 tiles. How much are you using? Only 2. So yeah, I mean, we should probably put a belt in here instead of running this whole stacker tower here. Because that's using a lot of resources. Definitely. Yeah, now is the question, how do we do it? We can take the stacker tower, but we can't really put it over it, can we? No, what we can do is we can take concrete surface and we can like paint where it was, and then we can, and this will give us a lot of parts back. We'll do this. Like this. Then we will speed forward. Okay. Why does nothing happen? Do we need to get rid of... Ooh, okay, now we can get rid of those. Can we unity this? Yes, please. Thanks. And now we do have some... Oh, no. I lost the markings. Wait, okay, then let's do it. Let's pause. Let's take the stacker tower here. Put it exactly where it was. And let's bring it forward again. Nope. That's not what I wanted to do. And I think this is where it was. It's not horrible. Oh no, actually I put it there. Okay, so we will put it here again. We'll say you can extend to 8 segments. Something like this. So we have like here and then we go... No, we can even go further. Let's go to 10. Yes, that works. And then we will have to bring... Oh, it's not on dirt here. That's kind of annoying. But on the other hand, it's not that far, and then we'll rotate it anyway. So... Okay, wait. So we can do a lot of different things now. We do have... Or we should do a lot of different things. So this is the dirt. Can we maybe... take you away? And can we maybe take you away? Just so it really speeds up the dirt laying process, basically. So you, and we will also remove you. Because that's where they are dumping currently. So these parts will go up rapidly now. So we will... And then we will take those. Which we also have to quick remove. Is this all going in here? Oh yeah, a lot of it is going in there. Actually also, we do have another ship engine. Oh no, that was... Is it upgraded? Oh, it's fully upgraded. We can go... Okay, I'm getting distracted. Not enough crew. Can we load crew? Oh, now we need more people. Okay, now we need to pay attention. Let's pause. We are good on maintenance again, obviously, because we unitied the buildings. Okay, let's go battle there. And let's take... I'm actually thinking if I should bring them up. I should probably, right? So we'll go up like this. And then we will just go forward. Now I hope that the game is going to do this with me. Why are you going down? Hello? Okay. Forward, 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 forward. Nope. Did I say go down? No, I didn't. Huh? Okay. Sometimes it's doing weird things. It's still not going down. That's good. And then we go... now we could go down a little. But not too much. And then maybe here we go... Maybe here we go down. And let's build this thing. This should also work with the dumping. Now this did use a lot of the red parts again, but that's fine. And now we just have to do the same thing again. And all those pillars should also align. Now eventually that will be other things, but I really just can't truck all of these materials. 2 belts of basically, they basically are, most of the time they are actually full. So I truly just can't, do this by trucks. And now it did something weird. Do we care? As long as it's not too low, I'm fine with it. And yeah, this is gonna be a problem. Let's go down. Why is it doing weird things? Okay, yeah, let's be fine with weird things here. Are we low on what are we low? Oh, we just don't have enough unity, so yeah, let's do this and let's do it with trucks, and we'll take you away. Okay, so that should be fine. Now we should be able to do something like this here again. Something like this. Also something like, well, I don't know if I want to do that yet. And then we'll do these again. Now I already lost track on what I actually wanted to do today. Again. Not enough unity. I think we can delete that right now. Low supply of rubber. That does actually make sense. We could unity you, even though we now have to pay attention. Oh no, also there's a flu. Let's maybe unpause you. No, well, we maybe should, but we can probably ununity you again. This also just cost us some unity. They are unloading this now again. Wood? How is wood? There's a lot of stuff we are actually doing right now, and yeah, I don't like the wood situation. And we do have not enough people. Can we get some more people again? Something like this. Ship, we won. Was it and we got puppies. And we found some loot. So is the ship being repaired? Oh, it's not back home yet. Okay. No mining designation in its area. That's also something I kept, like, mining out some sand here. So I will try to mine out most of the sand. Yeah, not sure if it's gonna actually happen and stuff, but we'll try to mine out some sand here, and then we'll go just forward, eat through this, fill it back up on the back side here. We take what we can get. We could even like just dump it out here and like dump it up into like a little hill here, so we can use the space, but not sure if that's worth it actually. Let's see. We still don't have enough unity. But that's fine. Now, what are you waiting for? You are still waiting for those. Yeah, it's just a lot of material now going over only one belt. So, okay. So what did I want to do? I wanted to replace some more vehicles here, but we are basically doing that right now. We are low on electronics. You usually get electronics from here, right? So why not actually put a belt from here? Let's not break any routes, maybe. Why not bring them to something like here? Something like this? That could work. So then you get like all the parts and we can replace those a little quicker. And we of course also have to keep in mind that we need to produce the hydrogen. And everything, so that's definitely something we should keep in mind. We do have a lot of electronics 1 and 2 in here, but they can't even unload it because everything is going in here. What do we need for this? Steel. Do we not have enough steel? Are they even able to get steel from somewhere? Now we should... Oh, we could probably just do this, and then we could take one of these. Can we not replace it? That's interesting. Okay, then we will just do this for now. Okay, fluid storage has low supply of... Ooh. Oh. Wait, we do have enough crude. We do have enough crude, generally. Is there something wrong with the pipes? They are full. Why are you not like the dark black here? That's weird. Okay. Do we need to unpause some more? Can we even get some more people from somewhere? We can get some here, we can get some here, we probably can get some here. So 1, 2, and then we... Do we want to unpause more, or do we have an option? That's the other question. Wait. That's weird. Or are we overflowing on something and we don't know it? These are basically always working. Is the problem actually like the oil? Or is it that we are just using so much diesel? It's probably the diesel usage. So let's unpause it. That will do some funny stuff with our... So let's unpause also, let's unpause these. Oh, that's the problem. The light oil is the problem. Why do you not have... You should give me an alert. Weird. Okay, yeah, but this will now do it. This will just kill our health. Because of air pollution, it's slowly getting really bad. And we are missing a lot of people. Actually, maybe let's use this one again. Ship was fully repaired, so let's get some quartz mine. What do we need actually? Probably this one, so we can see all the contracts. I think that's the last. Now those will go into... those will not do anything anymore soonish. We are low on a lot of things. Okay, so diesel is low. Copper is very low too, even though I'm unitying this part here. That's something I don't like. Where are we using all that copper? Do we see that? Where we are using it, consumption. Well, we have to keep in mind we are using a lot of copper. We are putting a lot of copper into here. So maybe that's fine. As long as all the other production is okay. Yeah, but let's maybe... No, I don't know. Okay, so diesel is low, rubber is low, that makes sense. We just used a lot of it. And we don't have enough workers for parts of the industry. Okay. Are you still Yeah, you're keeping to produce. That's good. We are doing this here. We are digging through sand here. That's a lot of sand, actually. Or a lot of stuff going on. We could even go deeper. If we like to... And then we go down. Can we? How do we need to do this? Like this? Maybe that will help. And then we take this away. And we do this. -6. And we can just mine some of it out. I kind of want to use as much sand as we can possibly use. Can you focus on sand? You can also focus on sand, please. You also focus on sand. And you focus on sand. And where's the fourth one? This one, you focus on sand too. So we're very low on Unity. We do not have a current disease. Okay. Location explored. Interesting. So what do we have here? Server to iron ore. That's not a good trade. Wait. I'm just looking at contracts that give me iron. Is there only vehicle parts for iron that we have? Or are there some more settlements somewhere? Okay, yeah, we can't really do anything about it. Okay. Let's make sure we can get all the... No, we don't have Unity to do it. Okay. Not enough Unity. Not enough workers. Let's see. Can we... I think let's un-Unity you, because you will be low anyways. Can we make... No, we can't. Okay. That was a random thought. Assembly. So we take Unity away from you. That's fine. What else is Unity right now? You are full again, so we can take it away from you too. And of course this contract is also eating Unity, but right now I'm thinking we are kind of fine. Still, wood is a big problem here. I expanded the planting area actually. But also like here, as you can see, our power plant here is again using power from other places. And why are you producing? You shouldn't really be producing. Aren't you doing something? You should be absolutely priority 1, which you are. Okay. So it's just not enough power here. But that diesel is low is kind of worrying me, because now it's also here, low here. So let's maybe up the priority a little here. So we can actually... This pipe is also... Wait, maybe we should pause this pipe here. I think this is doing weird things. Yeah, now it is full again. And it's drinking off both of those. Because we are good on crude. There's more than enough. Oh, there's actually not that much here, but there is still some here. We could also think about running this, but not with this little workers. So what I'm thinking here, well, we could keep doing this, but if we are running low on that stuff, let's maybe pause them. let's pause this project for a second. New refugees, so we are good on people again. No mining designations. That's fine. Can we just pause you? Are the trucks still assigned? Yes, they are. But we are good on vehicles, so that's not a problem. Diesel is starting to fill up again, if I see that correctly. Because every single thing... Oh no. Sour water is a problem here. Do we need to maybe upgrade those pipes? Or not. Maybe not. Because I think we calculated it correctly, but there is definitely some... No, it's a 200 pipe. That should be more than okay. Maybe this one is a 200 one too. So yeah, we built this right. Output is full. Let's maybe also get this to a 200. They are definitely working on it. Definitely. Let's maybe also unpause this one now, because we are very high on heavy oil. So yeah, that we can actually burn this heavy oil. We could also run the ships on heavy oil, actually, I think. Also, we are dumping what here? Some sour water, which we are making the graphite with. But that will fix itself once we get CO2 recycling. So let's maybe... Okay, wait. I need to... We can delete this one. We do have not enough workers, and we don't have enough workers for the dumping tower, which is very bad thing to not have parts. Let's see, oil rig, excavators. Yeah, so now the stacker tower isn't like the highest one anymore. That's fine. That's good. So this is our future space. Now what I want to do, and I also wanted to do this a while, it's already half an hour again, wow. Okay, yeah, let's try to make construction. Why are they not getting counted? That's really confusing me. But we can make lab equipment, the other lab equipment. But I would like to make those construction parts. Why is this not... Shows production you need to achieve in order to get enough experience to perform this research. Well, we already did it. Wait, let's see if we can... Maybe it's just a visual thing? Oh yeah, it's a visual thing. Okay. So we can already make it. Now we definitely don't need more than one, because our current production is 3 of those construction parts, which isn't a whole lot, so we definitely can't support 6 anyway. Can we go down with this recipe? No, we can't. So we have to take this one. But yeah, that's more than enough. So let's take you and let's put you here. For now, let's put you here. And let's just connect you to those. And let's connect you to those. And let's connect you here. And you bring in these construction parts. Like maybe you bring 100 of them. And we will connect you to here. And then you will make those construction parts. And that should be working. So you take those construction parts. And you're the only place those construction parts get put in. That's good. So they can take out and they can put in. Yes, this is probably gonna cause problems. Though with like this production, it's just not big enough. You're making 12, you are eating only 3, so we could... Because to have an access, we would have to have 3 machines, so that's not gonna happen today. But this means we are actually producing some. and some is better than none. So we'll put you here. Diesel is also good again. That's very, very good. Let's also pause you again. Not that we are running into food problems. We already cannot produce enough tofu. It's not possible, I think, because we are not getting enough. What is it? Soybeans. Even though there is a lot of This is a problem. This is a problem with the system. How is fertilizer? How is fertilizer generally? Stored fertilizer? 0? Oh, it's pretty much... yeah, there's a lot of them in here. This is the problem, because now we are... We do have a problem now. So let's pause these for now. Let's put an alarm on this one if you're below 75. And we need to think about something in here. Well, we can do a temporary solution, but I don't like a lot. It's just a lot of temporary solutions at the moment, and I'm not sure that's the best thing to do. But it is a solution. They can take out of it here and notify me if you're full or if you're like above 75%. So now at least they will be able to get rid of their fuel gas, which means that we get all the food that is in here and also the few soybeans that are in here. There is some soybean on here which will make tofu. Tofu's output is full. Let's maybe also connect it. We probably wouldn't need a full belt here, so let's do this. Low supply of crude oil. That will fix itself, I think, because those are full again now. So let's actually pause like 2 of those. And this should fix itself, but we have to keep an eye on it. The heavy oil here is empty again, so that's good. Also, we should probably keep this on a little higher priority for import. Also, there's no wood in here. Oh, it's not all of it used the same. Okay, but yeah, this system here works fine. We do have a lot of fuel gas. We should probably also, it's going all the way back there. So we should probably expand on this one. Which I don't love to do, but I think there's no other way. Let's see if we can put this here. And put this here. Does that work? Then we probably have to... How are you? Okay, let's just Unity build you. And let's put you here. That was lucky that we had enough Unity. Where are all our people? Okay. Yeah, let's just run this for... We can't even run this one because we don't have enough Unity to run it. Okay. But then we can also take you in here. We need to rotate you, all of you. And we need to probably... No, that works. So that works. And this one should also work. Let's see. Let's pause some of them. Where are people missing? Again, people are missing here, which is not a good idea. Do we have... Can we get more people why can't we get more people anywhere? Yeah, this this is a big problem we built here. This is, well, we can just burn it for power, but wait, how do you make animal feed? We could look into animal stuff. Wait, how do you make animal feed? In a mill, basically. You just put everything in a mill and it gives you an enormous amount of animal feed. Which we can then also just make into compost for fertilizer. Technically. We can do different things here. So, do we want to do this? Do we want to put in some mixers? Wait, you just take all the stuff and you just make it into animal feed. And then we do like something like this here. And we also want to put a balancer in here. Let's see if we can do this. A U-shaped one. Where are you? Yes, here. So we'll just put one here and then we'll connect it like this. And we'll say you are priority. No, you are priority actually. And we'll make some, maybe not for now. For now we'll just put it here. And for now we'll just connect it like this and we'll say you make a whole lot of animal feed. Which we don't have people for. Again, we don't have people for this. We probably also want to keep exploring. I don't know which, maybe this one we could battle. Okay, and then we take the animal feed and we should probably feed some animals if we do it anyway. So, food, so that would be in the chicken farm if I'm correct. So then they also drink a lot of water if I'm correct. Do we have an alarm on here? We should definitely have an alarm on here. Mill? No, chicken farm. So we would make some chicken here or some meat. How will we make this happen? Probably here. We'll do something like here. And then we'll just put one beside each other. And that will... yeah, that will be okay for a while. You bring 200. Can we bring you here? And then bring you... no, we have to go like this. And go like this. And go like this. And then we can bring the animal feed from here all the way back somewhere. Maybe also here. We can also try and just do something like this. And we will feed it in at like this level and we'll bring it all the way over. And then like this and down in here. And then we'll do the same here. And this will also give us more food. Yeah, but this is also, again, a very non-permanent solution. Okay, location explored. We found a lot of loot, new refugees, which now means we should probably pause this one again. We easily won. We can still go battle this one. I don't know if that was a good idea because our ship is only at 80% health and this is... okay, we'll see. We'll see. So you will be built. You will be built. And we should probably build as much as we can of this. And we will make... well, we need to make sure we get some... we don't have the trading dock built. That's crazy. We don't have enough Unity to build you, and we can only build you with Unity, so that's interesting. Not enough Unity. Well, we are at 0 Unity? Oh, wow. Well, we are getting 2 per cycle, so that should be fine. The sand. We really can't... Can we get some more sand out of here? Maybe we should also pause you again. And keep digging up sand as soon as we actually need it. I think that would be a good idea. So let's pause you guys. Let's also pause you. That will give us back some workers. We do have 61 construction parts. What is it? 4 already. That's good. We are also starting to produce those again. We'll put you like this again. And we should also now be able to do the research parts, which we should probably wait. Can we like do something like this, and we can also do. Okay, yeah. So we can also do this with the force. So we will do something like we'll go here and we'll look into this so we can make 12, and we'll lose this one very badly, I think, because of the 80%. Oh, maybe. Yes. This will. That was a close call. So more loot. Groundwater well. Another one. Oh no, this one is still the same. It's just coming home. Okay, so our world is the full world here, so we can't really do something there. Has low supply. Okay, now we are low on crude. Is it because those are both pretty low? Yes. Does that mean we want to run this one? It's even more Unity. So yeah, what is priority now, I think, is to replace them with hydrogen trucks. That could also be dangerous because we don't have an infinite amount of hydrogen capacity, but as long as they stay below like 50 or 100%, then it's not really a problem. So what we are gonna do is we are gonna say all of our trucks should become, or maybe we don't even start with trucks, we start with like large tree harvesters and we make those out of them, and same goes with the planters. We'll do something like this, and then we'll go with the trucks. And as much of them, we'll make all of them into hydrogen trucks. We also can't forget to upgrade the system here, but we do have a large amount of buffers. So notify me, please, if you are below 75%, and you alert me. So we do have a lot of safety here. We also do have this safety here. So that, yes, that should be fine on that part. 5 Unity we need, and I just spent some of it for people. Okay, low supply of coal. That's also very bad. Why do we have low supply of coal? You are basically full, so it's probably because this one isn't a foster belt. That costs a lot, but we'll do it. Like this, and copper is still, or is again low. Okay, so yeah, that's just because we are still filling up this one. Maybe we shouldn't fill it up fully, like maybe we should do like 1,500, and yeah, that should work. Back to those. We can now produce this one with the assembly 3. Are you in assembly 3? Yes, you are in assembly 3. And we should be able to make those here. And that's a very easy recipe. So we'll just take you. We'll take you. We'll make you electronics, right? We need electronics. We'll say you're full. You cannot export. We'll take you here and we'll basically just build you. And I again spent Unity I wanted to use. And then we'll try to move research lab like this. Get rid of you. And it's a lot of stuff here. Okay. And we'll do something like this. And there's a lot of people missing. Can we adopt some more people? We cannot. Well, we could, but we don't have enough Unity because there's a lot of other stuff that is not working. Low supply of rubber. Because I don't know why. Where are you? Can you come back, please, with oil? Or is there really, there's just no oil on the map anymore? Yeah. Okay, another load is coming, so that's good. That's very good. Where are you trying to go? Oh, to this one. Well, I will build it for you. And we will take you. We want to do like 2 meat and 2 eggs. Then we would have some more proteins. That could be good. So we'll take eggs. And we'll go. Can we look under here so we will not build where trucks need to go? Okay. Something like this, and we will go in here with you. And then we'll also have, so this is X, so we should probably do something like this. Something like this. And we'll unpause you. And then we also have some chicken, which we bring along here. Also up and also over here. And then we'll bring it into here. Oh, we need to bring it into another one. That's a problem. Oh, yeah, we need to do that, yes. Okay. So we definitely don't have enough people anymore. So let's maybe run this one again. Could work. No product assigned. So you take eggs and you take meat. And we'll also feed fruit in here as soon as we can. We actually could put down another farm somewhere. Well, we could just put one like this. That's kinda stupid. But it would give us some fruit. And we could like put this one in here like this. And we could put in some fertilizer. We'll never have enough fertilizer to feed this farm down here. But we could do something like this. And we could bring it into here. Like this. Now you do not have enough people. This will also again eat people, so you will go for fruit and for probably just fruit, grass, fruit, grass, something like this. Okay, and we'll unpause you, and you will go from here. Oh no, fruit is also the flat one. That's a problem. I didn't never think about that. So fruit is another one like this here, right? Wait. Yes, fruit is also the square one. So that's gonna use even more people. Okay, and you will go like here. And then you will go like to here. And you will go down there. And you will make fruit, and we'll put fruit in here. Fruit. We could even make more fruit here. And we can also do the same with meat and egg. Meat and eggs. So that works. So we'll unpause you. We don't have enough people, definitely no. Okay. We are also kind of low on everything here. But that's... Crude oil is already low again, and the ship just left. It's definitely a problem. How is wood? Okay, wood does look better again. Way better. How does coal? Coal is still fine. Iron is not fine, but it's okay. It's okay. And you will make some fruit. And we should definitely get some chickens from here. But we need to build the trading dock, which needs 5 unity, and I don't have 5 unity in it right now. That's weird. Okay. You are not producing because there's... This is bad. This is bad. Why? Okay, we need people, please. Do we have an addict that like... Yes, maybe let's do this. So, no, that doesn't work. Food consumption reduced, no. We want to research efficiency. Well, we don't do we have enough food? We could like do plenty of food. And we'll just see what happens. That could help with unity, right? Does it help with unity? Is that how it's working? Yes, it just gets us some more unity. Okay. Yeah, 80 missing people is a lot. Is a lot, definitely. Let's make the game a little faster if I can open console. I did change my there we go. And we can go for set game speed for a higher one. High supply of waste. That's also not good. Yeah, now the problem is that we need to put those to like let's put them to like just higher numbers. Let's also pause these. That will give us some people back too. But we definitely shouldn't have waste in our settlements piling up. What is food doing? So we get some tofu, we get some fruit. We are doing better, so let's trade for some chickens. Oh, that was a lot. That was too much chickens I traded for. And we want to slaughter at like above like 450 or something. Yeah, so that works. We got new refugees. Not enough workers. That's fine. Copper is producing. Wood is producing too. So we do have a large forest now. New refugees again. That's good. Now we can also trade some more people again. Because we do have some unity again. Something like this. Yeah, the sickness stuff is really wiping people out right now. We should probably provide in the hospital. We do have the hospital here. This would definitely help to provide medical supplies. But they are producing some eggs now, and they will at some point also produce some other stuff, which means we do have a quite big health bonus as long as we get all of this stuff coming in too, which isn't easy. Maybe we should try to... Do we have enough wheat? Wait, how is wheat? Can you notify me if you're below 75? And what we are doing is, instead of wheat, we are doing like we're doing like twice soybeans. so we can get even more tofu in. But as soon as this one is starting to ramp up, now it's also getting meat. That will help, I think. What is going on? Is it not getting into the... Did I not put it in the import? Into the input? What did I do? Or is it just... Wait, meat is going back all the way there. Okay, let's take the speed back a little. Let's unpause. Let's pause this one. Let's do this here, and let's see what happens here. Let's maybe delete this for a second again, and let's connect it up again, because that's weird. That should go in there. Waiting for products. No, you shouldn't go in like that. No, you cannot do this in that way. Why are we not... Let's also recover you. But why are we not able to put... Is there another building for this? Or do we need to maybe do this so it works? Or do meat here and no meat here? Does that do something? No? Yeah, I will have to figure out what this is doing. But I hope you enjoyed this episode, because time is already up again. Time goes really fast. We set up some construction parts 4. We did some more progress. We... yeah, I think it's slow progress, but it's some progress. If you got any you know what I mean. If you got any ideas what I should do next, please leave them down in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, and if you didn't, you could also subscribe. We're on our way to 1,000 subscribers now, which is very exciting. If you want to be part of this, yeah, consider it. And then we are gonna see each other in the next episode. Bye.